Okay, hi. I got my copy of Home Designer Essentials 2019, which is the cheapest one they make and the least able. I just did this out of curiosity. I go to the door tool, put a door there, open the dialog box. Yeah, this is the default out of the box selection. I'm going to change it to glass panel. It's kind of what's a full light glass door. I'm not quite sure what you mean by French, but you can go to the lights tab and make it, basically that I would call that a French door. And a French door needs to have, well, I'll leave that later. I'm going to center this door in this wall space here. And we want to make it 72 inches wide. So I'll make it a double. Okay. Now, I'm going to go over to the window. Well, window dialog, may you ask? Well, I'm going to double click on it to go to, oh, it's not working. Okay, I have to go to Edit Default Settings. And window. There's a setting in here that also affects doors. And it's, oh, it's not here. Never mind. This is the first time I looked at Essentials all year, so I didn't know what was there and what wasn't there. Okay, now I'm going to take this door and copy it, make a copy of it over there, and I'm going to make it just 36 inches wide. And we'll go to the Hardware tab and get rid of the hardware. So it has no visible hinges and no hardware. I'm going to go back to the General tab and let's see. I was hoping I could change the swing. I guess I can do this manually. Let's see. No, doorway would take the door away. So anyway, okay. I'm going to do that. I'm going to copy paste it over here right next to that one. And grab the swing, get rid of the swing, and basically I'm going to take this door, and we'll center the three in the center of that space. And that's basically what you were asking for, a double French door and a fixed French door that doesn't swing. And it shows so in plan view as well as in camera views. Let's close this, take a look on the inside. And this is Essentials, and so if you could do it in Essentials, you can do it in any Home Designer software. Okay, hope this helps you. Let's see, oh, I thought I marked this hidden hinges. Oh, on the Hardware tab. Well, I marked it hidden, but they're not hidden. Oh well. That's kind of a shortfall. When you put hidden hinges, the hinges ought to be hidden. Oh well. Otherwise, this works pretty well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Adios.